Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you, girls? How are you? Okay, girls, today, inshallah, we will take Unit 8, Lesson 3 in our book, Better English Now, okay? First of all, I will tell you the date and the day. What is the day today? The day today is Tuesday, and the spelling is Tuesday, and the date is 1/6/1443 after Hijrah, okay? As I told you girls at the beginning of my video, that today we will take Unit 8, Lesson 3, page 37, girls. Better English Now, People's Book. Okay? So, first of all, I will start with an imperative sentence. What do I mean by an imperative sentence? I mean, girls, by an imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses a direct method, a direct command or request. Sorry, girls. So, an imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a direct command or request. اللي هو جملة الأمر. Okay? For example, girls, when I say, look at these examples, we have open the door, close the door, wash your face, open your book, do your homework, close your book, close the window, open the window, brush your teeth, help your mother. Don't play with knives. These are what? These are imperative sentences. جمل أمر. Okay? Okay, girls? Now, if I ask you, girls, how many meals are there in a day? If I ask you, how many meals, وجبات, are there in a day? We have to say, there are 3 meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Again, how many meals are there in a day? There are 3 meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay? What can you eat in your breakfast? I can eat eggs, milk, and olives, like this, for example. Also, I can eat a sandwich. What can you eat in your lunch? I can eat rice and chicken. Also, I can drink an orange juice. Okay? What can you eat in your dinner? I can eat in my dinner pizza and pasta, for example. Okay. Now, what can you see in this picture? This is the first word in my lesson today. What can you see? Mince. So, mince means مفروم in Arabic, okay? مفروم. So, mince. M-I-N-C-E. 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 Okay? The first word is mince. What about the second word? What can you see here, girls? I can see a salad, right? What does a salad consist of? It consists of tomatoes, cucumber, lemon, and parsley. So I can add the parsley and the lemon to decorate the salad. Decorate. Okay, to make decoration. Okay, so the new word here is decorate. D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E. Decorate. Okay, so the second word is decorate. The first one, mince. Okay, now I need you to tell me what's the right sentence, girls. Here we have open your book, close the book, brush your teeth. Of course, the right answer is what about here? Brush your teeth, help your mother, write a short story. Of course, the right answer is brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, okay? Now, my superstars, read the ingredients of a salad recipe. So, listen to me carefully. A salad recipe. Ingredients: 4 large tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, half a head of lettuce, 1 small onion, parsley, salt and pepper, half a lemon, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, a salad recipe. Ingredients: 4 large tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, half a head of lettuce, 1 small onion, parsley, salt and pepper, half a lemon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, listen now. I will read the method. Number 1, cut the tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, and onion into small pieces. 2, place them in a bowl. 3, add lemon juice and oil. 4, add salt and pepper to taste. 5. Mix them together with a spoon. 6. Mince the parsley and add it to decorate the salad. The dish is enough for 3 or 4 people. Again, girls, listen to me again. The method of a salad recipe. Number 1, cut the tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, and onion into small pieces. 2, place them in a bowl, add lemon juice and oil, add salt and pepper to taste, mix them together with a spoon, mince the parsley and add it to decorate the salad. The dish is enough for 3 or 4 people. Again, the last time. Number 1, cut the tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, and onion into small pieces. Place them in a bowl, add lemon juice and oil, add salt and pepper to taste, mix them together with a spoon, mince the parsley and add it to decorate the salad. The dish is enough for 3 or 4 people, okay? Now, true or false? Number 1, the recipe makes enough salad for 5 persons. Of course, false. 2. Parsley is used in the salad for decoration. Yeah, true. 3. This is a recipe for a fruit salad. Of course, false. Again, number 1, the recipe makes enough salad for 5 persons. False. Parsley is used in the salad for decoration. True. This is a recipe for a fruit salad. False. Okay? So, this is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.